Hello, and welcome to our lesson on understanding long division. Today, we will deepen our grasp of number operations by exploring the technique of long division. Today, we will review the basic steps and principles of long division. In our previous lessons, we've solidified our understanding of basic division, including knowing the basics of how division works, as well as some rules for division, such as dividing by 1 or dividing 0 by any number. We have also looked at multiplication and factor pairs, such as understanding how multiplication and division are inverse operations and how to use factor pairs in division. And we have learned about place value and decimals, such as grasping the importance of place value and how to work with decimal numbers in various operations. With this strong understanding of basic arithmetic and division, we are prepared to tackle long division. Before we delve into long division, let's recall simple division. Take the example 10 divided by 5. We can draw it out like this. This is sometimes called the bus stop method because the shape looks a bit like a bus stop. The number that is being divided is inside the bus stop, and the number which it is divided by is outside. Remember that division can also be understood as the reverse of multiplication. So how many times does 5 go into 10? The answer is 2 because 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Now let's move to a more complex example. Consider 155 divided by 5. We'll again display it like so. We need to break this down using place value. Step 1 is to look at the leftmost digit of 155, which is the hundreds place 1. Since 5 does not go into 1, we must then look at the next two digits, which make 15. This 15 becomes what is called your partial dividend. It is the part of 115 that you want to divide your divisor, 5 by. This is because 5 does go into 15. So you must now calculate the quotient for your partial dividend by doing 15 divided by 5. This is equal to 3. So we can now write 3 above the line. Now that we have dealt with our partial dividend, we have to look at what is left over. At the moment, we still have 5e to deal with. Helpfully, 5 does go into 5 once. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. This means that we can write a 1 to the right of the 3 up above. So overall, we have figured out that 155 divided by 5 is equal to 31 using long division. By practicing with more cases, you will develop your skill in applying this technique. In today's lesson, we explored the technique of long division. We reviewed simple division to build a foundation and then moved on to the long division process. By the end of the lesson, we have emphasized that long division is a valuable skill for breaking down complex division problems into manageable steps and obtaining precise results. With practice, you will be able to confidently solve division problems. This lesson aimed to boost your confidence in performing long division accurately. Watch the rest of the GCSE Maths course at Sophos Education.